Hi, my name is Kevin Deisenroth. I'm doing the mobicool.io and particle remote control and monitor assignment for MEGR 3171. First, I set up my particle with the photoresistor and the LED and the other resistors. And then I had to write or copy and paste the code onto here, onto the IDE. I verified it. It's compiling, just making sure. It'll finish compiling in a moment. Okay, it's good. Now I'm going to flash it over to the particle, which will start blinking funny colors until it's eventually done. Okay. Now I'm on mobicool.io. I'm logged in. I'm going to select my device. There's the analog value. That's how bright it is, essentially. Higher values is more bright. And it's got a function here, LED. I'm going to create a button to turn this on now. So on. The argument is going to be on lowercase. We're going to submit that. I'm also going to create an off button with the argument of all lowercase off. Submit. Okay. Now, whenever I hit on, it should turn on the light. There's the LED, it's turned on. Hit the off, turns off. Turn it on, turns on. Now if I cover this, the analog value goes down, as should be expected. So that's about everything that needs to be done for this assignment. Thank you.